Hi students, welcome back to today's session of reflection of light at spherical mirrors. In the previous session we studied about ray diagram showing various position of object distance when placed in front of concave and convex mirror. Today another important concept we are going to discuss, that is about a new Cartesian sign convention for spherical mirrors, which is very important concept to solve the numerical problems related to the spherical mirrors. Okay, if you did not watch my previous videos of ray diagram for concave convex mirror and introduction about the spherical mirrors, please do watch it. Okay, now let us start the new topic of these reflection of light by spherical mirrors, that is Cartesian sign convention for spherical mirrors. So here certain points to be remembered. That is the first point. It says that the pole of the mirror is taken as origin and the principal axis of the mirror is taken as x axis of the coordinate system. Right. So pole of a mirror, either it is a concave or convex mirror, the pole of a mirror is taken as origin, and the principal axis which we draw through the concave and convex mirror, it is considered taken as x axis of the coordinate system. The object placed always on the left side of the mirror. You have to place always, either it is a concave or a convex mirror, object has to be placed on the left side of the mirror, and all the distance parallel to the x axis, all the distance are measured parallel to the x axis, okay, from the pole. So all the distances parallel to the axis, that is x axis, are measured from the pole. That is, all distance we should measure from the pole, that is object distance, image distance, focal length, radius of curvature, okay, all the distances should be measured from the pole. All distances measured right of the origin are taken as positive, while measured on the left are taken as negative. Okay, so whatever the distance which we measure on the right side taken as positive, which we measure on the left side are taken as negative, which is very important point. Distance measured perpendicular to and above the principal axis, okay, is taken as positive, and distance measured below the principal axis taken as negative. Okay, hope the points are very clear. Let us try to draw the diagram with the help of these points. What it says, okay, let us take these are the coordinate points which we draw. It is an x axis and a y axis. Okay, our mirror. So I am taking it as concave mirror. Okay, the first point says that pole of the mirror is taken as, now this is the pole of a mirror. Now this pole of a mirror, this is considered as origin. Pole of a mirror is taken as origin, okay, and the principal axis, okay, it is considered as x axis of the coordinate system. Second point, so object is placed always on the left side of the mirror. So always the object has to be placed on the left side of the mirror, and all distances, so parallel to the principal axis, are measured from the pole. From the pole we have to measure the distance, right? So either whatever the distance it is, object distance or image distance, that is for concave or convex mirror, we have to measure from the pole, okay, and all distances which are measured on the right side. So this is what the right side, okay, distance on right side are taken as positive, okay, the distance on the left side taken as negative, distance on left side are taken as negative. Is it clear? Okay, and distance measured perpendicular above the principal axis. Now this is what the object, it is perpendicular to the principal axis, okay, it is above the principal axis, it is taken as positive, and distance measured below the principal axis is taken as negative. Is it clear? So these are the new Cartesian sign convention for spherical mirrors. These sign conventions are very much useful while solving numerical problems related to the spherical mirrors. Okay, let us try to move in detail. What are the values? How do we put it down here? So this is our concave mirror. An object should be on the left side. Let us take this AB is our object. Okay, so the origin of this coordinate system is taken as pole. Okay, so here the distance always, all the distances are measured from the pole. So if this is an object, so how do I measure object distance from pole to the object? Now this is what my object distance u. Okay, so I'll get an image over here. Now this is my image distance v. Okay, if object is beyond center of curvature, I'll get an image between f and c. Now this distance is f, focal length. So what could be the sign for these object distance, image distance and focal length? For concave mirror, sign convention is very important. So let us try to write the sign convention for concave mirror and convex mirror. So u is nothing but an object distance, right? So for u, the u sign for an object distance for concave mirror, it is negative, right? So u will be negative for concave mirror. Image distance v will also remain negative. Okay, f, focal length of a mirror, focal length also remains negative. Okay, then what about the height hi? Ho is height of an object. Height of an object, it is positive, and hi, height of an image, is negative. Why, sir? Let us discuss this. So the distance, object distance, we measure from the pole to the object, right? Now you see, this is all the direction of light ray. Always a light ray will get incident from the tip of an object. So this is the direction of our light ray, and this is the direction of our distance which we are measuring, right? As I said you, the distances which are measured on the left side are taken as negative. The distance which are measured on the right side are taken as positive, whatever mirror it is, right? कौन सा भी मिरर रहो, कॉनकेव मिरर रहो या कॉन्वेक्स मिरर रहो, आपको हमेशा डिस्टेंस जो है लेफ्ट साइड में आपको नेगेटिव लेना है, ओके, राइट साइड में आपको पॉजिटिव लेना है, ठीक है? ये कॉनकेव मिरर है, तो ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस पोल से मेजर करते हैं आप, सो आप डायरेक्शन ऑफ लाइट रे और आपका डिस्टेंस ऑफ मेजर भी ये दो ऑपोजिट है, राइट? या ये लेफ्ट साइड है तो u नेगेटिव, इमेज डिस्टेंस भी लेफ्ट साइड है तो नेगेटिव, राइट? फोकल लेंथ भी लेफ्ट साइड है, नेगेटिव. हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट अबव द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस है, राइट? पॉजिटिव. हाइट ऑफ द इमेज बिलो द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस है, negative. So these are what the values you have to remember. Sign convention for concave mirror. For concave mirror, u should be negative, v should be negative, f is negative, height of the object positive and height of the image negative. Is it clear? Is it clear, student? Okay na? Now let us try to draw the sign convention for convex mirror. How do we draw? Right? So this is our x axis, right? This is our origin. And for a convex mirror, we place an object on the left side and image we get on the right side, right? We always get an image between pole and focus. Is it clear? Now this is all the distances should be measured from pole. So as I said you, on the left side we should take it as negative, and on the distance on the right side we should take it as positive. So what are the measurement that we get? So this is our u, object distance. So ये बना है image distance, okay, and this is our focal length f. Is it clear? So how do we write the sign for these one? So for convex mirror, okay, for convex mirror, right, u, that is object distance, is negative, okay, it is on the left side, okay. Image distance v, it is on the right side, so it is positive. जो भी रहो, right side पे रहा तो positive, left side पे रहा तो negative. f is equal to positive, ठीक है? Now height of an object ho above the principal axis, positive. Height of the image is also above the principal axis, right? Positive. So these are the sign conventions for concave and convex mirror. Is it clear for everyone? It is one of the very important concept which is used, okay, during solving numerical problems related to the spherical mirrors. Okay, now the next very important concept, one more, mirror formula. So what is mirror formula? So mirror formula is a relationship between, okay, so relationship between object distance, image distance and focal length is given by a formula called mirror formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So it is called mirror formula. ये थ्री क्वांटिटीज के बीच में जो भी रिलेशन बताता है, द रिलेशन विच इज शोन बिटवीन F, V and U, that we call it as mirror formula. Okay, so next is magnification. So what is magnification? Magnification is nothing but, right, so we need to know the size of an image, whether it is enlarged or diminished, whether it is real or inverted, that can be known with the help of magnification. So what is magnification? Magnification is denoted by letter M. It is a ratio of, right, it is ratio of height of the image to that of height of an object, that is hi by h naught, right. So it is related with object distance and image distance as m is equal to minus v by u, right. If m is positive, if magnification value is positive, it indicates that the image is virtual. If m is negative, it indicates that image is real, and we all know we get real images for concave mirror, we get virtual images for convex mirror. Is it clear for everyone? So this is what the today's concept about the Cartesian sign convention for spherical mirrors. So that's it for the day, students. So if you like this video, please do like it, share it and subscribe it. Do not forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notification of our videos. Okay, thank you children, have a good day.